egg yolk menambahkan body, the caviar, the sweetness dari dates. It's nice. Slightly more salt, and also a bit more on the vinegar. Beautiful. Beautiful start for an entree.
Oke, Palito, Cheryl, good job. Ya, kalian sudah menyelesaikan signature dish kalian dari appetizer, main course, dan juga dessert. Okay, 90 minutes. Wow.
I'm very proud and very honored bisa ada di ujung final ini dan menyajikan 3 of my signature dishes to the judges.
Saatnya kita untuk mencicipi hidangan kalian. So, kita akan satu-satu. Please bring, dimulai dari appetizer kalian.
Untuk appetizerku, aku terinspirasi dari salah satu chef yang sudah pernah membuat dish ini dan aku juga dulu pernah membuatnya. Jadi, it is very me, a lot of flavor in there.
I'm very happy with the look of my dish because it's very colorful and also very vibrant dan juga it looks simple but it's actually very complex.
Oke, mungkin dengan Palito ya. Bisa dijelaskan your dish, what is it, inspired dari apa dan lain-lain nanti juga sama Cheryl.
Yes, chef. So the dish is very low heat creamy onion soup with butter, and then I put cartouche on top supaya dia sangat-sangat emulsion.
Put apa on top?
Cartouche.
Ya.
Oke.
Supaya dia emulsion very nice. After di blend sama sedikit susu. Habis itu di dalam itu juga ada egg yolk, chef.
Yep.
And then after that on the bottom ada smoked dates, and then on top ada caviar and chive. So what inspired me is I just want to like very flavorful umami as well. You got the sweetness from the dates, you got the smoke, and then smokiness from the date as well, and then the savory from the onion and caviar, chef.
So, the smoked dates ini kamu apain?
So the dates di smoke, habis itu di bleach sama sedikit vinegar dan air, chef.
Egg yolk is pure?
No, egg yolk is a pot, chef. Very low heat.
Why? Begini nih.
Because I just want to like explore the flavor, chef. So enhance the flavor dari onionnya, habis itu perpaduan antara onion, dates, and then the egg yolk and then the caviar, chef. Untuk dimulai, supaya dimulai dengan appetizer seperti ini, nanti disambung dengan duck with for the main course. Tujuanku membuat appetizer seperti ini supaya nanti bisa dipadukan dengan main courseku, di mana aku ingin menonjolkan flavorful dari appetizer dan juga main course.
Hidangan appetizer punya Palito kelihatan enak banget. I'm sure he using all of his skill and also knowledge in order to make such a wonderful entree.
Oke, Palito.
Yes, chef.
Ini inspired dari mana?
Dari salah satu chef from France.
Exactly like this?
Yes, exactly like that, chef.
Like that?
What's that, chef?
Wood chips.
Oh, chef. Sorry.
How you get a wood chips in there?
Di smoke dates-nya ya.
The
Oke,
smoked
so you have to be careful.
Yeah, dates-nya. That's when you wrong. Tadi saya lihat itu. Your dates dengan kayu, kamu harus kasih jeda.
Yap, nggak bisa semua.
You supposed to put in like perforated pan or something like that. Nggak boleh nyentuh.
Okay, chef.
Alright? That's what happened. And you
Sorry,
can
chef.
burn the dates actually. Kalau dia nyentuh di wood chips.
Purposely, chef, sebenarnya.
No.
Supaya lebih...
You smoke the dates. You don't burn the dates.
Okay,
It's
chef.
different.
It's nice though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Texture creamy, smokiness.
Yep.
But anything that is smoked or burnt selalu harus dibalance dengan vinegar.
I already put vinegar in there.
Not enough. On the dates, not enough.
Not enough.
Okay.
Sorry, chef.
Jadi after ini slightly twist but sweet, but texture-wise, everything, the sweetness from the onion, the creaminess, the butteriness, the egg yolk menambahkan body, the caviar, the sweetness dari dates. It's nice. Slightly more salt, and also a bit more on the vinegar. Beautiful. Beautiful start for an entree.
Thank you, chef. Yang pasti aku sangat-sangat bangga terlebih keluar dari mulutnya Chef Arnold mengatakan bahwa it's a beautiful dish for my appetizer.
You know something missing kalau dari saya?
What's that, chef?
Crunchiness. You're
Yes,
supposed to make something like, your version of garlic bread. Thin, put it on top so you can dip. Even better.
Thank you, chef.
Okay, Cheryl. What's this?
So also for starter or appetizer, I'm making vegetarian entree, chef. Jadi
This is
mau
pretty.
highlighting on the use of vegetable. Ada halloumi cheese, ada eggplant, peach, pomegranate, dan juga aku buat dukkha atau toasted nuts with a lot of spices, inspired by Mediterranean dish as well, chef.
Appetizer Cheryl sangat-sangat Cheryl. A lot of texture in there, a lot of flavor as well. I'm so proud with her.
Did you use vinegar atau acid di smoked eggplant?
Enggak, chef. Tadi dressingnya ada orange and balsamic vinaigrette.
Yeah, you're missing a little bit of the acidity. Need more.
Yes, chef.
Kenapa bikin ini?
Karena sebenarnya saya juga enjoy eating vegetarian food
Yep.
and also cooperating fruits in savory. I think it works in a way,
Of course.
as long as we know how to highlight
Yep.
the other components. So I think the entree is very me, chef, in a dish.
So you go the whole 9 yards untuk membuat appetizer, huh? This is a lot. This
There's
is a lot. This is a lot of work.
Yep.
Yeah, chef.
No wonder you cut yourself.
Dari peach, vegetable, dukkha,
Yeah.
the dressing, the smoked eggplant, putting all the components together. Is it balanced?
Do you think needs more dressing, chef?
Yeah, can I have
Yeah,
more
yeah.
dressing, please?
Yeah.
Need more dressing and sama kayak palito, bit more touch of salt would be better.
Do you want more, chef?
Yes, chef.
Let me try the dressing bite.
This is orange and balsamic dressing.
Thank you.
Dressing is nice, yeah?
Yeah, most definitely you need more dressing.
Yes, chef. Sayang banget seandainya tadi kalau misalnya dressingnya aku kasih lebih, pasti rasanya lebih well balanced and everything will be better.
I love the ideas.
Yeah.
A lot of vegetable, a lot of thoughts, ya. Jadi banyak orang mikir cuma salad, it's just a salad dicampur jadi satu, or vegetable just as it is. Kalau misalnya kita breakdown di sini ada nuts, ada eggplant, there's a dressing, there's carrot, been pickled,
Ya, pickle carrot.
peach,
Ada pomegranate.
pomegranate, the dukkha. There's a lot of component in one dish, right?
Dia bisa membuat appetizer itu yang dimana base plan. Keren.
But again, you have to understand the balance of the flavor. The eggplant, you have to be very careful.
Yeah.
It was too long on the stove, ya. Jadi kelihatannya waktu kamu scrape juga kamu bisa lihat there's a bark yang sedikit keras
Ya.
di bagian luarnya karena mungkin sedikit terlalu lama on one side, ya. Itu mungkin kamu buru-buru, kamu scrape juga masuk. But the dressing, kamu bisa kita take aside less smoky, but we take the dressing, kita makan, and ini is beautiful, nice, refreshing.
Okay,
Thank you, chef.
I'm just gonna say this. You guys, in the sense of, again, head to head, hate it. Look, this is a finesse cooking on this one, and this is a very complex cooking. Wow, good job, guys.
Thank you, chef.
Well done, ya.
Good job, Palito. Appetizer punya aku dan Palito sebenarnya nggak terlalu bisa dibandingin karena satunya salad dan satunya itu lebih elegant appetizer.
Okay, appetizer palito, I'm gonna give you, I'll let you know tomorrow.
Walaupun dibilang my appetizer is a beautiful dish, tapi aku juga sedikit ragu karena punya Cheryl juga keren banget. Jadi waktu penilaian aku sangat deg-degan.
Okay guys, main course, let's go.
Untuk main course sendiri aku lumayan pede karena secara look I really like the presentation and hopefully the flavor judges will like it.
Okay, Palito, what is this? Yeah, a duck breast.
Yep, so it's a honey fennel mustard duck breast glaze with mushroom arancini, kale, and duck jus with onion puree, chef.
What's in the duck jus?
The duck jus is a duck fat, and then duck bones, onion, shallots, thyme, rosemary, and then a bit of bijou.
Arancini mushroom, ya.
Yes, mushroom arancini, chef.
I think Palito's main course is really him karena dari segi platingannya dan juga komponen-komponen yang dia masukkan, it's very Palito.
The duck itself ini tadi apa? Fennel and?
Fennel mustard honey.
Alright.
I'm gonna be straightforward langsung ya. You have to be careful with seasoning in all component. With your finishing salt, you have to be very careful.
Okay, chef. Is it
Number two, yang penting juga, you have to be very careful when you cooking with onion and garlic.
Okay.
Yeah, when you saute things, when you brown onion sama garlic, the sauces and everything else, especially there's ini apa? Onion puree, right?
Yep.
Be careful because your garlic maybe on the sauce atau di kale-nya ini it's slightly over, so it's overpowering. Yeah. However, onion puree is nice, very nice.
Appetizer kurang garam. Di sini kebanyakan garam.
Aku rasa waktu aku menambahkan garamnya terlalu banyak, jadi sorry chef kalau misalnya keasinan.
Right, your kale a bit too salty.
Sorry chef.
Be careful with the fennel.
Yep.
Saya suka. Tapi secara general, most people mereka akan complain. They want you to blitz it a little bit.
Okay.
Ya, atau di mortar and pestle yang lebih bagus.
Okay.
Ya, dibanding kind of whole like that.
Okay.
Me personally, I don't have a problem. Tapi looking at finesse cooking, you're supposed to a little bit.
Okay. Thank you chef. Kalau aku sama seperti Chef Junasi, aku tidak masalah dengan adanya funnel segitu gede di daku.
Hidangan punya Palito sebenarnya main course-nya tadi enak, meskipun awalnya juri sempat kebingungan perpaduan antara duck breast dengan arancini, tapi ternyata they really like the flavor.
Okay, Chef Jeno, let's move on to Cheryl. Oh my goodness, Cheryl.
Aku bangga banget sama Cheryl. Dia bisa menyajikan main course di mana itu sangat-sangat berbeda dengan main course-ku. Dia menggunakan seafood sebagai main course-nya.
Ini apa, please?
So my dish for the main course is inspired by Mediterranean seafood stew. Jadi ada 3 macam seafood di sana.
What does it make to become Mediterranean seafood stew?
Untuk membuat dari seafood broth-nya sendiri, saya incorporate ada fennel, celery, onion, prawn shell, dan juga di bawah fish-nya untuk elevate the dish a little bit more, I made green apple and fennel chutney. Dan juga tadi kan saya ambil reserve the prawn shell dan pakai daging dari prawn-nya untuk membuat prawn tortellini juga chef for texture. So ada prawn, mussel, clams, dan juga pan-seared barramundi chef.
This is very nice. But